So now we're going to do 5.4, and we are asked to prove that the left hand side is equals to the right hand side. So to solve this problem, let's use the left hand side to prove that it's actually equals to the right hand side. So we're going to choose the left hand side. The left hand side that we just chose is 1 minus tan of a into brackets multiplied by cos of a over cos of 2a, right? So this is the left hand side, yeah? And the right hand side that we are trying to prove to be equal to is 1 over cos of a plus sine of a, right? So you're just going to use this left hand side to solve the problem. So what you're going to do is you're going to first change this tan into 1 minus sine of a over cos of a. So that's one of the identities, multiplied by cos of a over cos of 2a, right? What I need us to do is to solve this 1 minus sine of a over cos of a. So by actually finding the common denominator, which is cos of a, and we know this one is over 1. So 1 goes how many times into this one that can't be seen? Goes 1. So we have cos of a minus this cos goes once in cos, so you have minus sine of a. So this expression here, it's actually equals to this one here, right? And let's deal with this one here. So we have cos of a over cos of 2a. So if you write it, we're going to write cos of a over, so cos of 2a is the same as cos squared a minus sine squared a, right? So you're simply going to write that cos of squared a minus sine squared a, right? So now I've written two expressions, this one here and this one here. So let's multiply both, because this expression is equals to this one and this is equals to that one. So let's multiply these expressions. So we have cos of a minus sine of a divided by cos of a. So here we put brackets multiplied by cos of a divided by cos of squared a minus sine squared a, right? What we can see is that this cos of a will divide out with this cos of a, so you will remain with cos of a minus sine of a over cos squared a minus sine squared a, right? Another thing that I need you to know is that at the bottom, this is the difference of two squares, right? If maybe you have x squared minus y squared, to factorize this, you'll have x plus y and x minus y, right? So you're going to do the same thing here to factorize. So you will have cos of a minus sine of a divided by cos of a, you put the bracket there, cos of a, and then here sine of a, and then here sine of a, and it's going to be plus and minus. So the minus will divide out with this minus, and then you'll remain with 1 over cos of a plus sine of a. So this is equals to the right hand side. So this is the right hand side, if you remember clearly. So therefore this confirms now that the left hand side is actually equals to the right hand side. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, suggestions or comments, please write them down in the comment section below. Otherwise, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click that bell button.